How to record your computer screen and webcam in OBS. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio. In here, at the bottom in the sources, you'll find plus button. Click on the plus button in the sources. After you click on it, you'll find different options. Click on video capture device to add webcam. Then add name, you can add webcam and press on OK. After that, choose your webcam device, add resolution and press on OK at the bottom. After your webcam is added, you can drag it wherever you want. After you've done that, click on the plus button again. After you click on the plus button to share your screen, you'll find all these options. Click on display capture. After you click on display capture, add name and press on OK. After that, add your capture method, display. After that, press on OK at the bottom again. Then you will find your screen in here, but webcam is not seen. Simply drag your webcam above display capture in sources. After that, press on plus sign and go to audio. In here, add name. Select your audio device, which is your microphone. Press on OK. After you've done that, you're good to go. And this is how to record your computer screen and webcam in OBS. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.